And if you love motorcycles but live for innovation, you're in the right place. Welcome to Garage Talk with Dale. Watch as he crafts a one-of-a-kind camless hydraulic engine and breathes new life into a classic BSA Gold Star motorcycle. Stay tuned for tales from Dale's racing history, pro tips, and hands-on mechanics. Hit subscribe and join him on his journey. This is Garage Talk with Dale.
Right, we're back. Just a quick piece of this video, just to show you where I am at the minute. Right, so the new belt is on. I did have a little problem, or I thought I had a problem. I thought the belt went right, as in the width. It seemed a bit of discrepancy between the original belt and the new belt. The new belt's a little bit narrower, and so I went back to Ford and I asked them the question, and they advised me that this is the belt that this engine needs. So we've put it on. I'm quite happy now. I get a bit panicky, because it's a massive project and it needs to be right. So anyway, the new belt's gone on. The tension has gone on lovely, tightened it up perfect. We've put the new shim in. I've cleaned the pulleys, took all the oil off it so that it won't slip on oil, or because it's got to lock up properly. So I've cleaned the faces up, everything's ready to go on, the cover's back on the bottom. Now I have watched a couple of videos, like I've said, and it's a good thing to do it as well. So I have put a couple of dowels in, using the water pump has got new bolts in there. So I've used a couple of long bolts and took the heads off it on lathe. We finished up to make two dowels there and there, and basically I can slide my cover on that, so when I've put my glue on it, we can slide it onto that and then get the bolts in without smudging the cover, because obviously we don't want to be doing that. So there we are with that. So I thought I'd show you that bit. Oh, and the new water pump plastic cover on. You can see where it's snapped off on the end and the O-ring went. Like I say, they're not dear, they're only a tenner, so they're worth replacing. Even if you've not broke it, it's worth putting a new one on. So anyway, I've put the new one on, so we're all ready now to glue the case up. The seal's in the case, and I've got the case ready for gluing over here. Now the cover's all ready. The glue pot that they supply, the handle falls out all the time, so I've put a couple of strips of just ordinary insulating tape around that, just to make it so it don't fall out, so we can carry on and glue it up and fit it on. I'm not going to show you that, because once I start to glue I need to get it on. So thanks for watching, and we'll show you a little bit more as we go on.